Hi guys, Annette from Bellisari's here. On a regular basis, I have people ask me what are my favorite knives, which type to use for certain things. So first we're gonna start with always put a damp towel underneath your cutting board so it doesn't slip when you're cutting because you could really get hurt. So I just put a damp kitchen towel underneath and it keeps it from sliding. My favorite knife is a chef's knife. I probably use it more than I should, but I love the handle. I love the length of the blade and I love the versatility of it. I use it for a variety of different things, vegetables for one. I do love to chiffonade basil with it. Those of you that don't know what chiffonading is, it's a French term for cutting it into ribbons. So what you do is you layer the leaves. I like to use the bigger ones. Just roll it as tight as I can. And then I'm gonna use my chef's knife to cut it. Now remember, when you're cutting, always keep your fingers in like this. Don't ever keep your fingers out. I always like to keep my tip down and the rocking motion works best for me. But I love the smell of basil. It reminds me of my childhood. Here's chiffonade basil. You can use them as a garnish on a flatbread. You can throw them in any kind of recipe, a salad. Have a great day.